Hey everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy and Company and a new construction update on March 1st for a brand new home, T1 1981 Xanadune. Going to be a 5-bedroom oceanfront here, private pool, pet friendly, so we'll go take a look, check it out. Standing on the second floor deck, you can see you'll have some amazing views of the ocean here. And then from the third floor, even better views of the ocean. On the third floor, standing where the kitchen will be, looks like we'll have a counter here, open up into a living area, fireplace being installed there. Of course, great views of the ocean from this room. Third floor master bedroom. I think I could manage waking up to this view every morning. Back behind me be your entrance to master bathroom. On the second floor, also have some ocean views from the bedrooms. Direct access to the decks.